You have actually said that you will not be present if they decide to sit on the case.
I can't be present.
So what will happen to your clients?
Well, they don't want the clients to have lawyers to defend them. What is special about these cases? Why should we specialize these cases before specialized courts to achieve what end?
I wonder how your client feels about the threat that was given him today and the fact that you were not in court to represent him and the likelihood that you will not be in court on August 17th to represent him because you are upholding the principle of legal vacation. How does he feel?
He feels very, very comfortable with me, you know. He believes that I'm a very principle-centered lawyer. He believes that I won't shortchange him. And he's not in any ambulance mood to cross-examine as a lay person. A prosecution witness. We are not little boys in the game, madam. I'm telling you what we believe as a principle. How can a judge tell, a carpenter to become a dentist and remove somebody's tooth? How?
So what's next? What happens going forward?
We will advise ourselves. We will not begin to put our legal, arsenals in the public space. But we'll advise ourselves. We know what to do.
What does advising yourself and knowing what to do mean?
We will not be compelled to go to court, for Christ's sake. This is not the first time that we've had the Chief Justice. I'm afraid.
Completely wrong. And the claim that there is a convention is completely even false. There's no such convention. And even if there is a convention, Order 79 of CI 47 is the order that provides expressly for legal vacation. You cannot generate a convention to override an express provision of law. And in any case, there's no such convention. We are all in this country. You know that there have been trials with vacation. So this claim is based on nothing.
But Deputy AJ, they're making their arguments that, in fact, they have personal engagements ahead of this legal vacation, among other things. And they said that you have just selected, cases that are affiliated with the NPP, among other things. They describe that as selective justice.
It is completely false. There are so many judges. There are so many judges that are doing vacation courts, and there are other cases that we are conducting, oral cases, which are not in the vacation because they are judges. Those judges in those courts have not been appointed as vacation court, and they've been vacation court judges who are not doing any oral cases. So it is false allegation they are making. Secondly, see, this is the thing: if a lawyer has a challenge which will prevent him from conducting a case on any day, what you do is to come to court and tell the court your reason, and the court will understand and grant you adjournment. But to sit at home and in your office and declare that because of legal vacation you have decided that you won't practice law, of course you will decide that you won't practice law, but clearly that does not stop the court from, or the proceedings from going. So for as far as we are concerned, there is no controversy on this matter. It is just an attempt to, as usual, delay cases. Look, while we are doing these cases, you will notice that it's always a fight taking dates. Every day there's one excuse or the other. Whenever we want to take adjournment, and it's not part of the same trick. So
let me take you out of this case. You said Yoko released a statement, said that they are investigating it, among other things. What exactly is the AG doing to ensure that these persons who were implicated in that scandal are brought to book?
Yoko is under the office of the Attorney General. So whatever Yoko is doing is what exactly the AG is doing.
Dada de nyina no court no oye adwuma otumi kwa ahomegye mu kakra. The reason no for say SSS judges ni timegye omo ahome kakra. Na afi judgment ahodo SSS omutime tro ne ade nyina omunya break kakra ho adwuma, right? Na a lawyer for no so timegye omo ahome kakra. Enti yesi ye call legal vacation, right? Na yakoshe muana afi court na sanso ayeden aba. But I do not know why. I think he said the ama conversation in nyina na kwakoba ni nyina na yese ura du Boahen ene Hanan case, there is a conversation and the New Patriotic Party are raising concerns say court ne kwa homegye mu enti eba ne sen ekwa homegye mu exactly eba ne sen na omo tuasa cases in so. Now first of all, legal vacation legal, right? Legal vacation is a period during which the Supreme Court of Judicature suspend their ordinary sittings to allow judges to take annual judicial recess, right? Write judgment, clear pending decisions, conduct legal research, attend judicial trainings, right? And prepare for the next legal term. It is not complete closure of the court. Complete closure of the court. And the edikan obia ntias yese ye kase ye call legal vacation na enye se court e woga na nyina ya to court dan bia mu wabra asem die bia anye den enkoso enye no kresa enti wo hwe the purpose and the rationale botaya e wo honti a yese ye call legal vacation na it is just to allow judges and lawyers no akwanya se wo mo betimi aye niam bi ese so mo ye to be by research ahodo ne ade training mu asese ye de omo because say adwuma na ekoso no moti asem so da bia wo munya kwan kota sa training no until this is the period that such event ni bebre hokra na wo motimi organize right so judges ne lawyers ni nyina on say do baby kra no a Ghana Bar Association in so conferences near the end or within this period. Yes, we call regions ni more association no around this time. Said the bear or mobetimi are coming together as a legal way association. Now during legal vacations, court remain open for urgent and emergency matters. Right? And you call legal vacation the announce emergency issues be ohonoma yetimitina so, right? Cases be ohwa yetimitina so. Vacation judges are appointed enti chief justice no ebeyi judges amoma betina certain cases so some no even though they are on legal vacation, right? Are appointed to hear cases that cannot wait until the court resumes. Enti cases are entimin train kosi court ne besa aba no. Yes. I mean, you bet me away. And the question is that, sir, a definition ye a relative. And the question is that cases bena intimate chain legal vacation in Konya day, Emma. And sana yababe to also say ye day, ye di, right? Or say court registries continue to operate for many administrative functions. Enti court registries no ekoswa yeden eyom wajima certain applications such as injunctions, bail, right, habeas corpus, and then other urgent matters may still be heard, right? And to motion be krana wa file before the court. They say lawyer attaching ya and they nkomo osui. Yes, now lawyer attaching ya say on court on the 17th of August, but on the 19th of August, the Obeko court, right? So difference between 17th no Onko court, no, any 19th no Obeko court, no, and it's there is a pending bail motion, application of motion a womwa ye say yen granted chairman wound to me bail. Once omu go through the appeal procedure. Anna afe 17th ne ye Boahen case and no full trial ni gusu a day koso, right? Enti on the 19th of August no court ne betina se na court no etie application motion na womo de aba for bail for chairman Wontumi no, right? Enti eno no court no be crabit me in virtual. You bet me and Zoom. You don't necessarily mean say as I say uba in person. And you bet me argue motion out on Zoom. Say judge need you to no grant motion now. Then what it means is that bail will be granted to Chairman Wontumi. Say court no app who di bail application now. Not just say bail no enya idea bede ebefa. Right? And these are the circumstances. Now, they no bebre na abani nyina ne say the New Patriotic Party, any a year lawyer attaching Ay3 say Hanan, former Buffer Stock CEO, Nasema Ekoso Court, any a year Urakwabene Boahen. Onunsu ni case, you know, almost a year case, a year special cases beer, a require special attention beer. Enti you know, omontias the reason tia. There is a legal vacation, but Chief Justice said, "Sasem no nkoso nyede entoaso." Eno no ho nkomo na dichi wa shiu bebre na de ayede ediaba. Right? Now, for the records, the history behind legal vacations, no. Abena, legal vacation was a first, you know. nanka ye court ni nyinaa na ye British colonial masters no judges nanka etena sem sudi yenzi what you say now womo no because womo nye Ghanaians no mo ye British no edru ba bia na so omo fa ship echo back to UK ni ade the United Kingdom, right? And I mean, womo set side the to also young call legal vacation said the be ya. I mean, judge for no womo tena sem ne so benya kwan na womo so akọ no mo akọ rest kakra no mo eden aba. Enti or fa ship akọ no fa ship eden aba. Enti for a period ento ankosi busumi bienu de ebia no akọ de eden no akọ de aba. Enti by practice ana colonial masters ne ye ya and ne yenso ye ba ya yugusu a ye to aso. But it is grounded in law, right? And there is what we call the Courts Act, right? 1993, Act 459. Ukomua, it gives you the legal basis for legal vacations na yekono. Now, unlike some jurisdictions, the 1992 Constitution of Ghana does not expressly mention legal vacation. Instead, the authority of legal vacation is derived from statutory law and rules of court, right? And statutory law ne baako ana mabodi acho nti uba 1992 constitution ma and said that entro explicitly say you're making provision say young legal vacation, but ofam ready to say the Courts Act 459 Parliament ahyehyɛ na ɛno no ɛma a kwan, right? Say you bet me ayesa no of kind section 80 of a year Act 459 no. It talks about rules of court. Section 80 empowers the rules of court committee to make rules regulating the practice and procedures of the court. And as part of the court rules and procedures, you know, sa niyama we nyina ayeden eka ho. Say ya yenhyehyɛ committee na yenhyehyɛ say edubre say ya court no bekɔ ahomegye mu ayeden aba. Ni nyina na ye part of it okan section 80 of the act a chiro pefe ma wotimi ho. Now okɔ section 80 subsection 2G or say authorities authorizes the rules of court committee to make rules for regulating the sittings of the court and prescribing the periods for vacation, right? Into section 8 subsection 2G, you know, about the specific provisions say the rules of court committee, you know, it makes the timer assessor court yeden etenase anytime assessor court near den ekwa ahomegye. So it is grounded in law. Enti dede bebre na abano. To be very sincere with you, lawyers na ati omo niema omo yase. Omo nim de ekoso no omo nim de omo yenso. Kakra.
At least almost so strata.
Well,
cases in special cases that I was saving during the time of legal vacation. That's been a disaster. Or much of my home, I know my banana. So, as a chinchon trials, and also new actions. Actually, Yatia saying, yet in according to Cheyenne and yet in legal vacation.
As he went to court, Musa, a banisana legal system, no, I BBO, right?
I said, space is so, the case is so special. That's a lawyer for the summer job, my home. So I say, it's me grant you almost, right?
And the Attorney General position is lawyers in court, no munko argue out before the judge, say, or more person kwa humijim. They said the lawyer be a kwa humijim, no. Judge no bet me ajia tu mo so akwa humijim. Simplicity. All right.